So today I'm going to show you how to grow a gaming channel in 2025. I'm in the process of trying to get my third channel monetized, the one that you're seeing on the screen here, and it is a gaming channel. Currently it has 3,000 subscribers and I have 158 videos. And just taking a quick look at the views, my last video got 700 views, the video before that 800 views, video before that 2,900, and so on. So this video or this channel is getting views, and taking a look at what I still need to get this monetized. I have my subscriber requirement done. I have 2,600 public watch hours. I am very close, need 3,000 to get the first step, and then eventually 4,000 total to get this channel fully monetized. So how did this happen? So I'm not sure if you guys are familiar. Catan is a board game, but they also have a version of it on Steam. And this is the process that I went to in order to research this niche. So I went on to YouTube and I just typed in Catan, right? Just typed in Catan just to see what the interest was of Catan videos. And then I would filter out to like last month just to see what the largest creator is. So just going over to this creator's page. The largest creator in this niche has 70,000 views. And if you're thinking like, okay, 70,000 views, that's a lot of subscribers, but how well could you actually compete with something like that? So just 70,000 views, just going down, let's see who else is getting a bunch of views. We see pretty much the same person. Then we see the next person here. This is probably the second biggest channel in this niche. So this person has almost 10,000 subscribers, almost 6,000 videos, and just taking a look at their viewership, uploaded 7 hours ago, almost 2,000 views, 1 day ago, 4,000 views, 1 day ago, 4,000 views, and so on. So you can see that there is decent viewership within this niche. And when I say niche, it's just like, you know, the topic of the video. And since this is going to be about gaming, the topic of this series is going to be about like specific games. So if you play something like Call of Duty, you could, even though that it is going to be very tough to rank for Call of Duty videos, you could pick like a sub category within that niche. I know isn't the newest Call of Duty Black Ops 6 right now, so you just type in Call of Duty Black Ops 1. You could just go to one of the older ones and see how well they are doing. So just going back, so Call of Duty Black Ops 1, taking a look. So people, you might not be able to rank for this, but the tool I use is something called vidIQ. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. So let's go back over and talk about Catan. So if I type in just Catan in this keyword research tool, you can see that the keyword Catan is searched 110,000 times, which is an insane amount, and the competition is low. Like you saw how the largest creator is like 70,000 views, right? However, you're able to see that the search volume is insanely high. Now, okay, the version of Catan on Steam is called Catan Universe. So if I type in Catan Universe on this keyword research tool, you can see that it is searched 4,800 times every single month, which is again a crazy amount. You want to target like 1,000 to like 4,000 or 5,000 search on a monthly basis with medium to low competition. If it's low, that's fantastic. You have a decent chance, and you can see that these keywords here: Catan Universe strategy, search volume 3,500, Catan Universe gameplay, the 4,800 that we were just talking about, Catan online gameplay, you can see 2,900. It's just endless opportunities for people creating videos within this category. So that's step number one. Find your game that you could focus your channel on, and all you have to do is make videos about that game. Like, let's see, universe. So going to Catan Universe here, and you can see, all right, here I am. Let me just go to my channel here, and you can see that I focus on one game. This one channel is just focused on Catan. That's how I've been building my viewership. You can see that I've uploaded to this channel for a decent while, and all of my videos are pretty much the same thumbnail. I mean, you can see that's just me along the right hand side and then the game board. So my viewers know what to expect when they see one of my thumbnails. And another interesting thing is like they're long videos. Like this video is 25 minutes, this video is 30 minutes, 28 minutes, 40 minutes. And the 28-minute video is my breakout video within the last 10, which got like 2,000 views, which is an interesting thing to see. I got some external traffic as well. So find the game that you enjoy playing, and then within that game, find a subcategory that people are looking for, people actually want to watch. That's another thing. If you play some obscure indie game that no one's ever heard of, there's probably going to be a low search volume. However, let's see, another topic I kind of wanted to do is just looking into like Halo 3. Let's see how often this is searched. So Halo 3, we're searching or filtering out to this week. We can see this one channel here, 2,000 views on this video. He's got 4,000 subscribers. Taking a look at his most recent videos, you can see, wow. So Halo 3, super old game, is still getting a lot of views, which is fantastic to see because I love Halo 3 and I wouldn't mind going back to create some content about or playing Halo. So this is something I might consider at some point. So just see what some of the viewers or some of the people that are doing and how they're getting videos, so you could just see how this person is not really doing anything for their thumbnails, just changing up their titles, not even just specifically putting like Halo 3 in the title or anything, like how I was doing when I was making my videos. Whoops, Catan. So going over to my channel once again, you can see that at the end of my videos I was putting Catan Universe just so people could find me through search. But I think this person is probably getting their views mostly from the browse. You could also see that they stream on Twitch. So Halo 3 might be a good niche for some people as well. And I think COD Black Ops 1, I've been getting recommended some videos about this. So I feel like this could be another good opportunity for some people to produce content for. But then again, the most recent Black Ops 6 is what's really pulling in the viewers at the moment, so maybe this isn't it. Let's try COD MW2 Modern Warfare 2. Let's see, because it's not the same title as the most recent Call of Duty, so I feel like these videos might be getting pushed differently. I'm not even seeing, just a bunch of shorts, really odd. But yeah, this is exactly the same process that I would be doing to do some research, try figuring out like, hey, is this really a good topic? Okay, here we go. Modern Warfare 2 is coming to Xbox Game Pass. That's interesting. Let's go over to vidIQ to see how this keyword is doing. Okay, so search volume is 42,000. It's high, but the competition is high as well. So I'm not sure if this is one that I would actually target. But let's go Halo 3. Halo 3 search volume is still high at 12,000 per month. That's insane. Halo 3 gameplay, 17,000. Competition is medium. So I feel like I could really rank for Halo 3 gameplay. I feel like that's something I might target. Because you can see 17,000, competition low. And let's just take a quick look once again. Go back to YouTube. Let's see. Filter out to this week. Let's see how many people are doing this. Okay, so this person got 20,000 views. 20,000 views. The Halo video. They got 75,000 subscribers. Let's see. Yeah, they have pretty good thumbnails. And then going back, let's see. Oh, this person. I think this person was a trick shotter at some point. Okay, 281,000. And yeah, their thumbnails are crazy good. And look at their views too. Their views are really good. So you just want to see, like, could you compete with the people that are already creating content within that niche? A bunch of shorts, which is really interesting. So I kind of want to mess around, and maybe I'll throw out a couple videos just to see how people react to my gameplay, and then just go from there. Experiment, make multiple channels about different games, and stay focused, stay on the one game, and then see how well that type of video does viewership wise, and if it's worth it for you, then keep going. If not, then switch it up. You could have like 100 YouTube channels, and if one succeeds, that's a win. That's all you need to focus on. So if this video helped out, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.